Okay, today I want to show you a demo coming from a use case from a customer again. And this demo is how to integrate a legacy application that is Oracle DB centric. I am using an autonomous DB and a new application, for example, Java microservices with a new backend like NoSQL on OCI. Okay, sure. Kafka today is a standard. That's why I created a topic. The name is topic 2 on our OCI Kafka managed service. After that, I created a Spring Boot application. Okay. And I deployed this application. So this application has a REST service send message. Okay. I deployed this application on a Kubernetes cluster. Okay, Kafka. So it's very, very simple. Now, what you must know is if you want to call a REST service, a REST API from ATP, ATP is a very secure product. And so you need to declare an SAL, so to authorize the call of a domain name. So you need to have a public domain name and not an IP address. You need to use HTTPS, and so you need to use a real SSL certificate. That's why, for this state, I created my domain name cprovo.com here, and I created a certificate on Cetera in order to give it to Spring Boot, and I deployed that directly, okay, on Kubernetes. It's running, it's perfect. I can call here my application, it's perfect. Remember, you see the public name in the application, but it's very easy. After the video, I will break the relation between my public domain name and my load balancer in OK, just here, because on this zone, I will just delete, okay, the relation between cprovo.com and the load balancer in my OK. Now, if I want to do a test, okay, on this API, I can use the Swagger UI directly on Spring Boot, execute, I send a message test, very nice, message test here, okay. Now I want to send a message from ATP, and so the first thing is to declare the ACL in order to authorize cprovo.com, and after that, you create a function in order to use UTL HTTP begin request, okay, and to call this URL in order to send a message. It's very, very simple. Okay, select send message, test API. Nice, test API. So, as you see, it's very simple. Using here the streaming service, it's very cheap on OCI, and it's very simple to do an integration between ATP and another modern microservices application, okay, using Kafka, just allowing the DB to do a call of a REST API. Okay. Thank you for your attention.